Spark Hire HR Honest Review Watch before using. Most hiring managers struggle with scheduling interviews, but Spark Hire promises to streamline recruitment with video interview technology. Spark Hire is a video interviewing platform that allows HR teams to conduct one-way and live interviews online. One standout feature is one-way video interviews, where candidates record responses to preset questions. This saves time and allows teams to review applications asynchronously. Most people get this wrong. They think video interviews replace human judgment. The surprising truth is that Spark Hire enhances the process, but doesn't eliminate the need for careful evaluation. Recorded interviews provide consistency in candidate assessment and allow multiple reviewers to score performance before moving forward. Another advantage is integration. Spark Hire can sync with applicant tracking systems, making candidate management more efficient. It also supports branding, allowing companies to customize interview questions and portals with logos and welcome messages. However, there are considerations. While it improves efficiency, candidates may feel less personal connection compared to in-person interviews. Technical issues like poor internet connectivity can also affect performance and candidate experience. In conclusion, Spark Hire is an effective tool for modern HR teams seeking to streamline recruitment, save time, and maintain consistent candidate evaluations. It works best when combined with human judgment and follow-up interviews. Subscribe for more honest HR tool reviews before you modernize your hiring process.